In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automatically label emails in Gmail. This process is a fantastic way to keep your inbox organized and ensure that you never miss important messages. It only takes a few minutes, so let's dive right in. Start by opening your Gmail and navigating to the search bar at the top. You'll notice a small icon on the right side of this search box. Go ahead and click on that. This will open up the advanced search options, which will allow us to filter emails based on specific criteria. This step is crucial because it determines which emails you want to label automatically. Next, in the From field, type the email address of the person whose emails you want to automatically label. This is especially helpful if you're dealing with a high volume of emails from certain contacts and want to keep track of them easily. For instance, if you frequently communicate with your manager or a key client, this feature can help you manage those emails efficiently. Moving on, look through these options and click on Has Attachment if you want to filter emails that include files. This is optional but can be quite handy if you often receive important attachments from a particular sender. With those conditions set, click on the Create Filter button at the bottom of the window. This will lead us to the next phase where we'll define the action Gmail should take when it finds emails matching our criteria. Now, one of the options that appear is Apply the Label. Ensure you check this box, which will let the filter automatically categorize incoming emails. After that, there's a button labeled Choose Label. Click on that and a drop-down menu will appear containing all your current labels. If you don't have any created yet, you can manage labels by going into your Gmail settings. Once you've clicked Choose Label, go ahead and select the specific label you wish to apply automatically to these filtered emails. This selection could be anything from work and family, or even a custom label you've created specifically for this purpose. Organizing emails with labels helps maintain clarity, especially if you have multiple projects or categories to track. Finally, to wrap things up, click on the Create Filter button again. This saves your filter settings, and from now on, every email that matches the criteria you've set will automatically carry the label you designated. This setup not only saves time but also ensures your inbox stays organized without manual intervention. And there you have it. Following these simple steps allows you to utilize Gmail's labeling system efficiently, ensuring that managing your emails becomes a breeze. Thank you for watching, and I hope this helps streamline your communication processes. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful tips.